Hey, it's the Easy Holiday Appetizer Collaboration co-hosted by Inspired Living with Kristi and the Junkin Chick. I'll leave their links below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit everyone who participated in this collaboration. Here we go. Okay, so the one thing that I keep in my entertaining closet refrigerator is whipped cream cheese. You can use it all year long. You can add whatever you want to it. It really takes on a chameleon taste. I use it all year long for different seasons. In spring, you can use some fresh vegetables chopped up in it. In summer, you can use some fresh strawberries or blueberries. In fall, today I'm going to show you what I use as the caramel sauce, the Torani sauce, and also for winter, I use the white fig jam. So this is so simple. You're going to take 4 ounces of cream cheese, the whipped cream cheese, and you're basically going to mix it with your topping. If you use the block cream cheese, you just need to let it sit out for a while so that it can get to room temperature. So we're going to start with our white fig, and basically for this it's a small gathering, so we're going to use 4 ounces. If you need more, you of course add more. We're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of our jam, and we're going to whisk it together. And once you do that, you come out with this consistency. I like to serve it with something salty like a pretzel crisp, and I serve them in these dips so there's no double dipping. And the next one we're going to do is our caramel, and we're going to do the same thing here. This is just 4 ounces of whipped cream cheese, and we're going to add 4 tablespoons of our caramel sauce, and we're just going to drizzle it in and then commence to whisking it until it gets the nice smooth consistency that we want. And you can sweeten this more if you want, and you can do that with your savory as well. You're going to just start small and then start to add it in. And I also serve this with something salty like a pretzel crisp. That seems to be my go-to for this dip. So I hope you enjoyed this small, quick, easy recipe that I use. I hope that you will go and visit everyone else in the collaboration. I will leave the links below. Thank you for watching. Have a good holiday, and remember, I am just sharing.